नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनल ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू in practical case taking session. Aphorism 92. But if it be a disease of a rapid course, and if its serious character admit of no delay, the physician must content himself with observing the morbid condition, altered though it may be by medicines. I again repeat, but if it be a disease of a rapid course. जैसा कि हम बात कर रहे हैं कि लास्ट इन अफोरिज्म 91 डॉक्टर हेनीमैन सेज इफ पेशेंट comes indirectly, means patient taking medicine from another physician and comes after that to you, then we should advise patient to leave without medicine so that we get the true picture of the disease. But in this aphorism, if a disease of acute character, some emergency, some rapid course, then we should omit this rule. And if its serious character admit of no delay, the physician must content himself with observing the morbid condition, altered though it may be by medicines. The physician must content himself with observing the morbid condition, altered though it may be by medicine. तो हमें इस कंडीशन के अंदर डिले नहीं करना है जहाँ पे डिज़ीज़ एक्यूट हो, रैपिड ऑनसेट हो, सम इमरजेंसी सीरियस कंडीशन हो, तब हमें पेशेंट को वेट नहीं करवाना है. वी हैव टू टेक प्रॉम्प्ट एक्शन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अवेलेबल सिम्टम. If he cannot ascertain what symptoms were present before the employment of medicines, in order that he may at least form a just apprehension of the complete picture of the disease in its actual condition, that is to say, of the conjoint malady formed by the medicinal and original diseases, which from the use of inappropriate drugs is generally more serious and dangerous than was the original disease, and hence demands prompt and efficient aid. And by thus tracing out the complete picture of the disease, he will be enabled to combat it with a suitable homeopathic remedy, so that the patient shall not fall a sacrifice to the injurious drugs he was swallowed. So, in such emergency condition, we should prescribe medicine on the basis of available present symptom. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.